Hello everyone, and thank you so much for watching my video. Welcome if you are new. My name's Courtney and I do videos on making money online with different sites, so you can use this money to make your own business, to start something new, to start a business that you've always wanted to start, to pay some bills, little bills that you need to pay, like going out to eat, groceries for your family, gas for the cars. I got you. So today we're going to be talking about Prizerebel, my #1 site. The link for this site will be in the description. I love Prizerebel. This is quarter 4. It is currently October 23rd. Get on the bandwagon, guys. Join, sign up, but don't just sign up and then not do anything. I'm going to do a rundown today of how you can make money with Prizerebel. Let's do a cash out, okay? You guys need to join the team, work this site every day, make money for your family, and also I'm going to give you some tips on what you can use this money for. So let's get right into it. I have $5.24. Every 100 points on Prizerebel is equal to $1. Got it? So you can do surveys for 75 cents each. You can also, they do a late raffle, and they're doing $10 Amazon gift card. It does change. My rewards goal is $5 in PayPal money. Here's my referral link. You can do offer walls. You can do earn points while you sleep with the referral program. You can do your surveys, Peanut Labs, Daily Gold, Taluna, Market Cube, Innovate, Opinion World, Say So Rewards. You can do all these. You can also go up here, click earn, go to offer walls, and run your videos, guys. You get 0.55 points for every video you run. Sorry if you hear that noise. That's my dog in the background chewing on a bone. You can also use this site daily, do the surveys. They have different survey providers that you can use to earn money. Also, there's a messaging box. They send you different emails for different surveys that you qualify for. You can do that as well. I'm big on the offer walls and I'm big on my videos. I run my videos in a separate window. So what you do is you go down to Google Chrome, wherever that is on your desktop. Either I'm just on a Mac, so it's on my bar. You right click and you click new window, okay? So you open that up in a new window, you let that run, you do your offer walls, you do your surveys, you cash out at least $5 a day. So I'm going to go here, show you my stats. My current balance is $5.24. I earned 79 points today. Points earned yesterday, 0. Points earned this month, $4.16. Points earned this year, $54.77. Lifetime points is $477.33. I've claimed 83 rewards. I have 50 referrals, and today's referral points is 75 cents. So here's some things that I do. I like the Revenue Universe wall, the Ascend Media wall, the Offer Toro, and the AdGate wall. You do get a bonus every month. I do my daily challenge usually. I did surveys. My referral stats today have been on fire, but it's not like that every day. Today's earnings is 76 cents. This week I earned $1.61 from my referrals. This month, $2.82. Okay, so one referral. Total earnings is $3.87. Total clicks, 33. Today it's 75.6 points, which is amazing. A couple of days ago it was 64.8 points, then 21 points. Then a couple of days later we were earning some points. Guys, you got to join. Look at all these people that click the link but don't join, okay? and they click the link, they sign up, but they don't do anything. Here's one that signed up, didn't do anything. Okay? Like, you have to sign up and do this. You need to work this site. You can invite your friends. Okay? I'll take you to the reward store. You can do PayPal, Amazon, Panda Express, Uber Eats, H&M, Sam's, Wizards, World of Warcraft 101, League of Legends, Sam's Club, Dunkin', Apple iTunes, CVS, restaurant, Burger King, GameStop. Guys, you can do whatever your family needs. Me personally, I love PayPal. So we're going to go ahead and do a cash out, and then I'm going to give you some inspiration on what to use this money for. So we're going to go back to the Prizerebel. You can always click the Prizerebel icon, and it'll take you back to your home screen. We're going to click this to cash out. You can do $5 in PayPal and leave the 24 cents, or you can go to custom amount. I'm going to just do $5 PayPal money. I'll claim this item. And I'll get that payment within 10 minutes at least. So because I'm a Diamond member, I always close this pop-up. I never share it because I do videos like this with you guys. So with this being said, when you sign up, you start as a bronze member. You get 15% of your referrals that sign up underneath you. You guys need to do these videos and educate people, just like I'm educating you. You don't have automatic prize processing. Silver, you have to make at least $10. 20% of your referrals, you don't get automatic prize processing. You want to go for gold. Go for the gold. When you make $45, you get 25%. And it's automatically prize processed. You get a special bonus at the beginning of the month, and you get a prize discount of 1%. If you're platinum, you can, after you've reached $100, you get 25% automatic prize processing, 2% of special bonus, 2% of the prize discount. Diamond level, it's the highest level you can be. That's what I am. You have to cash out $160. 30% of your referral earnings, automatic prize processing, 3% special bonus, and 3% of a price discount. So you guys need to join, make your money, do those surveys. I always recommend you do the 75-cent surveys. Do them until they run out, okay? Take your time, do them till they run out, run your videos, do your offers, okay? This site rocks. It's Q4. You need to do this. You can save up for your Thanksgiving meals, for Christmas gifts for your family. There's so much to do in Q4. Everybody needs money. It's starting to get to be fall and winter time. Everybody's going to be inside. You might as well make your time inside worthwhile. So you can use this money to start a business, okay? If you like affiliate marketing, referring other people, just like I'm doing with you, it's referring people to products and services and getting a commission. Or you can start drop shipping. Drop shipping is getting a vendor's list, getting items, and selling them to people. You can also do that. If you want to start a lawn business, you can start a lawn business. If you want to start a soap business, if you want to start a bath bomb business, if you want to start a candle business, you guys need to use this money to make a bigger business. Don't go and say, oh, I can make $5 and then go get Wendy's for lunch today. Don't do that. Make sure your car has gas in it. Make sure you have food in your fridge. Make sure your cell phone bill's paid. Get ahead with this money first, then use this money to build up a business that you're going to be proud of. Okay? Love this site. This site is amazing. The link will be in the description. My goal is $5 a day. Been super busy lately. Haven't been reaching that goal. But I will be doing videos regularly now. So let's see what we got. It also tells me here I need 476 more points to cash out $5 again. Just wanted to let you guys know that. I always do this daily survey right here. So I hope this video was very helpful for you guys. I hope you listen. I hope that you take this money and you make it for your families. Christmas is coming. There shouldn't be a reason why people don't have a good Christmas, why you don't have Thanksgiving dinner, why you don't have Christmas dinner, why your bills aren't paid. You can do this. If you have time, use this site. If you have money, then you invest in ads to get referrals to make money on autopilot. You guys need to use this site. The link will be down in the description, and I will be back soon with another video. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, comment, and share the video. I will be back soon with another video. Hope this was helpful. I will talk to you guys soon. Have a wonderful night.